I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame light. First, gather your materials, including a frame, LED strip, and power supply. Next, prepare the frame by cleaning and measuring it for the light strip. Then, attach the LED strip securely along the inside edge of your chosen frame. Finally, connect the power supply and test your new, custom-made frame light. This project is a fantastic way to add ambient lighting to any room. To begin your frame light journey, you will need a few key items. Start with a picture frame. A size like 16 by 20 inches works well, ensuring it has some depth. Next, grab an LED strip light, preferably a flexible, self-adhesive type, about 5 meters or 16 feet in length. Don't forget a 12-volt power supply and an optional dimmer switch for adjusting brightness. Simple tools like scissors, a measuring tape, and a small screwdriver will complete your kit. Now, let's assemble your frame light. First, ensure the inside edge of your frame is clean and dry for optimal LED strip adhesion. Carefully measure the perimeter and cut your LED strip to the correct length, usually at designated cut points. Peel off the adhesive backing and press the strip firmly along the inner edge of the frame. Finally, connect the LED strip to your dimmer switch, and then the dimmer switch to the 12-volt power adapter, ensuring all connections are secure. With your frame light assembled, it's time for the finishing touches and important safety considerations. Plug in your power adapter and test the light, making sure all segments illuminate correctly and the dimmer functions. For a softer glow, you might add a thin, translucent diffuser material over the LEDs. Always double-check that all electrical connections are well insulated and secure. Finally, mount your beautiful new frame light securely on a wall or place it on a stable surface to enjoy its warm ambience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.